Wow, what a stunning view of Niagara Falls, a wonder of nature. Welcome to my channel, The Traveler Adventure. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and comment. What makes Niagara Falls so special? Niagara Falls consists of three majestic waterfalls: Horseshoe, American and Bridal Veil Falls. Together they create a stunning spectacle with over 6 million cubic feet of water flowing every minute, making it one of the largest falls in the world by volume.
Your left. Today you are about to experience one of the greatest wonders in the world. As you board Niagara City Cruises, we will bring you into the mist to feel the thunder and see up close the 168,000 cubic meters or 6 million cubic feet of water that plummets over the falls every minute.
In today's video, we are diving into one of the most iconic nature wonders in the world, Niagara Falls, spanning the border between US and Canada. This breathtaking waterfall is famous for its inspiring beauty, powerful rush of water, and its rich history. Niagara Falls best viewed by going on a boat ride. Join us on an exciting journey to explore the breathtaking beauty of Niagara Falls from both the USA and Canada side. On this adventure, I will take you on the famous red and blue boats. You will likely have to wait outside, so dress appropriately for the weather, as you may get wet from the mist of the falls, especially on the Maid of the Mist. Getting up closer to the thundering walls as we cruise through the mist and feel the power of the falls surrounding us. You will witness the falls from a whole new perspective, with stunning views of roaring water and towering cliffs from both countries. The one on the left you can see now is US, and the Niagara Falls is a nature wonder unlike any other. The history of Niagara Falls goes back thousands of years, 12,300 years in the making, to the Ice Age, when large torrents of water were released from the melting ice, draining into what is now known as the Niagara River. The power of the falls generates hydroelectricity, which is one of the Niagara Falls' most important products. Together, power plants on both American and Canadian sides of the falls have the capacity to produce up to 2.4 kilowatt of electricity. Under an international treaty, the flow of water over Niagara Falls is reduced during the night to allow more of the water to flow over Niagara Falls. As we finish the boat ride, we will take a little walk around the area to explore. As you can see, there's a lot of tourists coming over to Niagara Falls to see the wonder of the world. Wow, look at this view, the stunning view of Niagara Falls. Now, as we're gonna walk past, let's go to the shop that offers very unique souvenirs, clothing, gifts that you would like to take for someone that you love. You'll find everything here, from t-shirts, hoodies, iconic falls logo, to locally made craft and arts. The shops are filled with fun, such as miniatures of the falls, magnets, postcards, and handmade jewelry. There is something for everyone, whether you are looking to remember your adventure or pick up a special gift for someone. Don't forget to grab a snack or a coffee from the... Whether you are on the USA or Canada side, there is so much to see and do. Come along with us and experience the magic of Niagara Falls like never before. I would like to thank you for watching this video on my channel, The Traveler Adventure. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know in your comments if you ever go there, how do you feel about the Niagara Falls, the wonder of nature.